Yo, 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 what's up, everybody? It's your boy, the Ghetographer, aka Pastor Tech, coming back at you with another unboxing video. Just want to say thanks to everybody. I know I've been gone for about a month. Hope you missed me, but if you want to know where I've been, go look at the video I dropped before this video. Okay, guys, I will let you know everything and what I've been through. Okay, just for a video, let you know what's going on. Let you know my mouth still hurts, but I'm here to give you this unboxing video. All right, guys, so today we're gonna be unboxing this puppy right here. This is the extra battery charging cover battery case, and this is not for the Samsung Galaxy 25 or the 26. This is for the Google Pixel 10 Pro LX. I have left Samsung. Shout out to Flossie Carter, because I think he came up with this term, the Samsung Knights. I was a Samsung Knight for the longest time. Okay, guys, was. Shout out again to Flossie, because I think he coined the terminology. But now I am a Google fellow. Okay, I got me the Google 10X Pro, or me Google 10 Pro LX. That's how they say it, and I'm liking it, guys. There's some things I do miss about not having my Samsung Galaxy 24 Pro. I do miss the stylus. I do miss that, but I'm having fun with this. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead. I'm gonna give you some of the details. Okay, before we get to the eagle eye view, again, this would go for $36.70, which is not bad. Now I got this before the Samsung Prime, so I don't even know how much this would cost if I already got it on Prime, but I did not. I got this before Prime. Okay, guys, this case is good for the Pixel 9 Pro and the Pixel 10 Pro LX. This is a 10,000 milliamp hour chargeable portable charging case with wireless charging, compatible for Google Pixels, extended battery charger coverage. Now, this is for the 9 Pro LX and the 10 Pro LX, okay? Again, this will go for $36.70. And here goes some of the other detail. This has professional, power IC, rechargeable, short circuit protection, low voltage protection, full protection, overcharge protection, overcurrent protection, and overcharge protection. All right. So this right here will go for, again, $36.70. I'll put the link below. But without further ado, guys, let's get to the eagle eye view. Hey guys, before we get into the eagle eye view, do me a favor. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'm going to say that one more time. Please like, share, and subscribe. Listen to me. The YouTube algorithm gods love it when you give me some thumbs up and you share it to other people, because that means it's saying that people are interested in it, and it'll push the video out further. So please do me a favor. Please like, share, and subscribe. Guys, we're in the eagle eye view. This is what it looks like. Do like to unbox. This is all the protections you get, instructions, and everything like that. So let's go ahead and open this bag. I don't need a boxing knife just today. I don't think I do. No, I don't. So we'll do the easy way. Alright, so this tells you how to put it on. You can see right here. So it shows you how to put it on. All right. So it's kind of thick. Got the on and off button right here. So we do have to give it a full charge. You have your MagSafe here, wireless charging. Sorry for shaking it. You have your buttons here. And you have USB-C. And this is pretty soft here too, guys, right here. That's pretty soft. All right. So you got your C right here. So what we're going to do, guys, as you can see, nothing else comes with it. And don't even have any wires in here. So got to use ones that you have. All right, so we're going to go ahead and charge it up. And it says turn on hold for 3 seconds. You see, we already have a decent charge. Turn it off, so hold it for 3 seconds and it comes on. All right, so let's go and see how this puppy charges up. And then what we'll do after that is put it on, see how much weight, extra weight it puts on the phone, weigh it with it, weigh it without it, so you can see how much it's going to weigh. All right, as you see, we have USB-C to USB-C. Here, we're going to go ahead and you can see it's charging up. That's how it looks charging up. Now I'm going to do fast charge. This is fast charging here, Anchor. Let's see how that goes. Here you go. Charging up. Here you go. All right, what we're going to do, guys, we're going to go ahead and also charge using this right here. This is, again, 45 watts. As you can see, make sure, and you see, it is charging up. All right, guys, so what we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and let it charge up fully. All right, welcome back. I'm going to show you how to put the phone inside here. Now, what you don't do, you don't start it from here. You probably can force it in, but you don't want to do that. You see how this is flimsy up here? What you want to do is kind of bend it and kind of push it in. It's like at the railings here, kind of rails, but slide it in. You want to make sure it stays in, stays that way. And you want to make sure it hits this, and look at that, it goes in and come up, and now it's on. Now you want to know if it's charging or not. Hit the button, 1, 2, 3, and it should come up charging. Boom, it's charging. Okay, so it's charging. Now I'm gonna tell you, I like something like this, guys, because you have 75% charging. You have something like this. If you don't want to carry something like this, you can always carry this. Now it does make the phone heavier, so I do understand it does add some weight to the phone. You can always turn it off by pressing it a couple times, and it goes off. And like this, you can put this on, and it'll come up. It'll charge, pass through charge. So as you can see, it is charging using this. Okay, and also I'm using this here, and you can see, and it's charging up using that. So you can see it's charging up. Now I'm gonna turn it on so you can see. Let's see if it's gonna fast charge up. All right, you see that is on, guys. And once you plug this up here, it's not gonna give you fast charging. I thought it might have, but it's not. It's going to charge up this first, and then it's charging up your phone. I'm guessing almost at the same time, but it might be charging the phone up first. I mean the battery first, and going to the phone. So it's not going to give you a fast charge because it's going through the charge through the battery to the phone. Okay, but it's still charging up. And like I said, this is a 10,000 milliamp hour battery. And as you can see, even when you turn this off, you put this on, this is going to come on, and it's charging up. It's charging. So that's not bad, guys. And then with the MagSafe, all that is doing good. It's not coming off. Now this is going to be 163 grams. This right here going to be 234 grams. Okay, so let's go ahead and put this together. Looking at 396 grams. Let's try that one more time. 396, 397 grams. So it does add 100 and some odd grams to it, but I think it's worth it for 10,000 milliamp hours. Okay. Yo, I'm back to give the battery case for the Pixel 10 Pro LX my final thoughts and give this puppy a grade. And guys, guess what? I really do like this. I like the one on my Galaxy 24 Ultra, and I do like this one as well. Guys, this is really good. Now, the only thing is making your phone heavier. Okay, you saw the scale. It's 396, 97 grams when you have both of these together. For some people, that is too heavy. For other people, They don't mind that. So this is my thought. Buy something like this when you don't want to take something like this with you. If you're going to be out for a long day and you don't want to have this in your bag, this kinds of put both of them together. It's like I said, it's only 10,000 milliamps, but that can get you through, you know, enough for a whole day. Okay. And then with the option to turn it on and turn it off, it's, you know, you don't have to use it up. You could just turn it on when you really do need it. So I really do like that. It does protect the whole phone. Now, I'm not going to say how shock proof it is. I'm not going to say I'm not going to drop it on the ground to see if it shatters or not. But it does protect your phone, and it protects the face because you have a bevel edge around to protect glass in case it falls downward, face first. So I do like that. Price, guys, you know, for $36.70. I don't think you can beat this. You get the case plus a battery pack, and plus it's MagSafe as well. So boom. Like I said, I showed you. Charge it. It's not coming off, guys. It moves a little bit, but it's not coming off. So I think it's pretty good. So all in all, I'm going to give this, for me right now, until I use it further, I'm going to give it an A. It does exactly what it was supposed to do. I think it's at a great price for $36.70. I think if you get like a 2,000 milliamp, it'll be bigger. So remember, the heavier the battery, you know, the bigger the battery, the heavier the battery, and the more this is going to weigh. Okay, guys? But I really do like this. If you like to play games and, you know, or you out on a subway or you in the airport, I think this will be better than this right here. Okay, now realize this, that even if you have fast charging built into your phone, this might not be fast charge. Basically, you hook it up to this, fast charge is going to fast charge the battery, but not your phone. Your phone is just going to get the regular charge, which I think that's still pretty decent. So I'm going to give it an A. All right, guys. So, hey, before we go, do me a favor, please like, share, and subscribe. I want to thank my new current and new subscribers for rocking with the channel. I'm going to go ahead and give this an A because it does everything out of the box. It says new, and I think it's pretty neat. The only downside, I think, you know, if you run it too much, because the fact it is extra battery, it might get hot. But that's with any battery, because, you know, heat kills battery. So it will probably get hot. When I was charging up, it didn't get too hot, but you never know when you're charging up the phone, and this might get a little hot, get a little warm. Even this gets a little warm, guys, even if it has vents. So that's going to be probably the drawback, is the heat, depending on how much you're playing, what you're doing, and how heavy intensive it is. And, you know, like I said, I don't play games on my phone. I do watch a lot of videos. I do listen to music. So, but as far as playing games, I don't. So I'm going to give this an A, guys. Again, please like, share, and subscribe. Do me a favor, please hit the notification bell for anytime you want to be notified anytime we drop a new video. Yet again, this is your boy, the Ghetographer, aka Pastor Tech. Thank you for rocking out with me on another unboxing video. Guys, I got some more unboxing video coming up on backlog because I was out sick. All right, guys, you have a good day. See you in another video soon. Peace.